Hello friends, welcome to our Data Analytics Tips YouTube channel. So today we will see about POWERBI DAX Sumx function. So what Sumx function do? It returns the sum of expression evaluated for each row in a table. So this is the syntax of the Sumx function. First of all, it takes as a table, and after comma it's take as expression. Sumx is a iterator function. It iterates the value row by row. So today we will see the example here. I have one products tables. In that table I have taken the price and the quantity, and if you want to find the total sales, then row by row, then we have to create one measure for that. So just right click on product table and create new measure, and in that measure just write total sales equal to Sumx. Here you can see the Sumx function uh, taking first as a table and then expression. So for we have to calculate price into quantity, then we have to pass the table of that column name. So product is a table, then just comma, then you can see the expression is highlighted in blue color that we have to pass. So like what is your expression? We have to, so we have to calculate total sales. So just pass price into quantity. So product price into product quantity, bracket complete, and commit. Here you can see the total sales measure is created. Just drag this measure into this table. Now you can see that the Sumx measure is created, and the values are, you can see they are uh, Sumx function is calculating like row by row, means price into quantity. We can see like 10 into 10, we can see 100 as the total sales, and after that it will calculate the total sales in number format. Like the Sumx function works row by row, you can see here. But when we use sum, you can check my last video. In that I have told that in some example format it's calculate the only the total sales, not row by row sales. Thank you.